What's up guys, it's Aaron here, and today we're going to be talking about my mains and goals for the Putra Speedcubing Challenge 2017. So yeah, let's get right into it. For 2x2, I'll be using the Moyu Link Pro, and the reason only I'm using this Moyu Link Pro is because it really fits my turning style, and I can't really find any cube better than this. So I'm going for a sub 5 average with a sub 4.5 single. I could probably do better than that, but yeah, let's wait and see. For 3x3, I'll be using the Waylon GTS-M that I handmade myself. I'm going for a sub 15 average with a sub 13 single. And just if you want to know, I put N50 magnets in this. So yeah. For 4x4, I'll be using the Moyu Mini Alsu. And I'll be going for a sub 1:05 average with a sub 1 single, if I can get that single. For 5x5, I like this event, but I can't seem to pass the cutoff time. So yeah, cutoff time is 2 minutes, so I'll be going for a 2-minute single, and the average, no one cares. For one hand, I'll be using the Valk tree, and I've been training a bit on one hand, so I'll be going for a sub 27 single, no, sub 27 average with a sub 25 single. So yeah. Now on to Scube. I haven't trained Scube in such a long time, I probably don't even remember the algs, but I'll be going for a sub 10 average with a sub 7 single. So yeah. For Pyraminx, I'll be using the Moyu Pyraminx, just the normal one with ball bearings. I've been training a bit on Pyraminx, and I'm going to go for a sub 7 average with a sub 6 single. I could probably get that sub 7 average if I really focus. So yeah. And finally, on to square one. This is the event I most care about, other than Pyraminx probably, and this is my main event, and I'm going for a podium this time, and I'm going for a sub 22 average with a sub 19 single. So yeah. So those were my mains and goals for the Putra Speedcubing Challenge 2017. I hope to see you there, and comment down below if you're going. Bye.